guys, welcome back to the Fishing Diaries.
Yeah, and today we're off to our local rock mile today.
Yeah, so hopefully ranging for mackerel, gar, bass, pollock and wrasse. The weather's cracking today, we've got the right conditions, and hopefully
we should hopefully get some nice species for you to fill it in.
makes up for all the blanks.
Oh, it does, definitely. And the weather's out as well.
Yeah, the weather's perfect, the conditions are perfect, water visibility is looking good as well, so hopefully we'll have some good fish today.
Yeah, cheers to God.
Cheers to God.
Catch them, living in the present is that gift everlasting. The motive's pure but the memories are tragic. Repair the damage, real with no acting. Tell it straight, bear the weight of the marriage. Judge a man's worth on the weight that he carries. We all feel the pain, that's the weight of the damage. If you don't feel safe, tell a friend we can manage.
There you go, guys. Fortunately not on camera, but just had this on the lure. Foul hooked, unfortunately, but hey, little garfish.
Not too bad, is it?
Yeah, hopefully plenty more to come.
Here we go. One weakness. Yeah. Don't you just love it?
So I've lost one already. Happens, mate. Remember what I said? You don't lose the stuff, you're not in the right place.
Exactly. Oh, might have got a bet.
There you go, look. I've noticed with kelp, if you pull back,
it releases, doesn't it? Oh yeah.
see that?
Yeah. That's crazy.
It came right in there, man.
Like little black things, like.
There he is, what? Right guys, another garfish. Never like holding these things, they're bloody oily and like sticky. But anyways.
Very green.
Yeah, see all the green scales. I don't know if it'll come up on camera. But that's second fish, getting bigger now.
Yeah.
See, that's a lovely sized gar. But we'll get this guy back.
So right guys, he's on Dexter, that's what you see in the one caught that garfish. Some cast that was then. And I'm on these ones here. Little plugs. Got a bigger one on because it's going down deeper. This one here is more of a surf. Well, goes deeper but the swell's kicking it out. This one's going deeper, and a massive knock a minute ago. So hopefully some bass, yeah? Be nice, wouldn't it? He's loving it with the gar over there. Yeah, on again. That's 3 now.
You were a gar or backwards this time, you won't be backwards. Wait a little bit.
Hey.
They scrap a little bit, don't they?
My size one again. Oh shit.
Oh no!
Well, you seen that on camera anyway.
Oh, he's gone back in the water, guys.
Yeah.
He's safe. But yeah, look. First fish up. Hopefully plenty more to come.
It's our third, isn't it?
First fish,
Yeah.
I don't mind you getting excited, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were having that much drop. I can feel it goes tap, 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 tap.
Oh fucking hell, that went shot out, that did.
Please don't do that again.
Really?
Right guys, just put on some feathers and pulled out a gar already. Let's get this guy off a minute and we'll get him back. But yeah, it's gar mad down here today. Tons of them about. So yeah, there goes the drone. Get you some nice drone shots today as well. Anyways, hopefully more fish to come. See if we can put another one out, guys. Well, the weather's took a change for the minute. It's gone quite overcast, which wasn't expected today, but it is Cornwall, so I don't know if you can see him down there, guys, but we got a little baby seal. He's after our fish.
Oh guys, yeah, so I was fishing down there a minute ago, got the rods up here, but we're going to move down there because the wind's got off a bit. I don't know if you would hear it on the camera because I've got this foam thing on, so it stops or blocks it all out, but yeah, so we'll be covered by the wind, so it should be good. And I've got my coat back on because the weather's just changed all of a sudden. Which is a bit random because it said it's going to be nice all day, but anyway, we'll see you in a minute. Right guys, we're at a new place. A minute ago I had my drone out next to that lifeboat and he's pulling the trawler. I think it must be broken down, but as I was flying my drone kind of ran out of battery and started landing early and a heart is in my mouth. That's all back and safe now anyway. A few knocks down there of wrasse, so I'm going to give it a go of a little shad and then see how it goes anyway. I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, I've got a little shad on. I'm going to try and get some wrasse out. Poor trawler must be broken down. Oh, my foot went and I broke. My traction come on. If that was a flat sole there, that would have been gone down there, mate. I'd have been on my ass. If I was on a flat sole, I would have been my ass. My ass would have been wet.
Oh, it would have hurt as well, the rock.
Yeah.
Or if that was on you, would go into you.
My drone bag would probably save me, but that arm.
You good?
Yeah.
You got that? Do you want that on that arm? Or?
I need to dry my shoe out a minute.
I can laugh now, I know you're okay. Right guys, that's the end of the session now. I caught 5 garfish today. Oh look, 2 seals in there. Caught 5 garfish today. Chris blanked unfortunately.
I did, yeah.
But we got some lovely drone footage, some nice camera footage, so we hope you enjoy this video. There were some dolphins, but we weren't able to get to them in time.
Well, I tried and then nearly lost my drone in the process.
Yeah, yeah. So, but anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next adventure.
Yeah, cheers and God.
Cheers and God.